Hello everyone. So I'm not gonna review a knife today, but we're gonna talk about Victorinox replacement parts, the mini tools, and so replacement parts, a case here, and a box for personalization here. So I'll talk. There will be three parts. One I will talk about mini tools, one about this box, and another part I'll talk about this box. So I see you in 10 seconds. So we have the mini tools, new. It came out in January, I think. So we have different thing. We have flathead, Phillips, Torx, and for the SIM card, a pin. So let's see that. So the item number is 2.1201.4. And we have so the usual that we all know. The thing is we have the shield on it, like on this one, etc. So this one is the same flathead for glasses mostly, but it has the shield, which is a good thing, I think. I really like this. Unfortunately, I don't think they will make this for the regular ones, I would say. So this one is Philips. So green. The red one is for SIM card. And this one is the Torx. So interesting. The thing I would say is maybe you would like to have, for example, the Philips, but you would like to have I don't know, blue. So I would say that's the thing that is a bit disappointing to me. So you could have a flathead in green, blue, red. You could have the Torx in green, red, gray, blue. Each color has special tip: flathead, Torx, Philips, etc. So let's see the first box. It has a number 4.0581. And we have different parts. So we have toothpick for 91 millimeters. We have the pen for 91 millimeter knife. We have tweezers, 91 millimeter, of course. So here we have 40. Here we have 2 only. Here we have 10 tweezers. Here we have 4 pens, but it's for the Swiss card. Here we have 10 tweezers, but it's for 58 millimeter and 74 millimeters knife. Here we have a pen for 58 millimeter knife. Here we have toothpick for 58 millimeter and 74. Here we have a keyring, 10 and 10 here, so 2 different sizes, 58, 91. We have the mini tool, mini screwdriver. We have 10. We have the little tweezers. Why? Because for the knives in point AVT, like Swiss Champ XAVT, Travelers, Expedition Light, as they have the little screen, they don't have the tweezers in front, but at the back, on the opposite side, like this. You can have a look. I did a review about the Expedition Light. I talked about this. And we have springs, 3 here and 3 here for 58 and 91. So that's it. For the price of this, it's around 80 euros, but you can find it for 50 euros. I bought it on Amazon. You don't find this on Victorinox website. The next one, so number here 2, 40584. So this is brand new. This is not new, but this is brand new as the mini tools. In 2021, this came out in 2021 with colored tweezers, toothpicks. So we have red, black, blue, and green. It also includes lanyards. So same colors, green, blue, and here we have black and red. So just to have an example, for example, with the red. Oh, just one thing before. Here we have for 91mm and here for 58. It's here. Of course, this works for 74, and this works for 84. So, for example, the green, like this. Unfortunately, we don't have for the pen. So when you have plus scales, that's not that good. Really a shame you don't have this one. So you can have any combination. You can have, for example, blue tweezers, green toothpick. Can you imagine? With the red. So you can do anything you want with that. For example, with the black. So you can really do anything you want. I'm gonna try the red. You have also the lanyards, of course. So you can do anything. Wondering how it looks with this. For example, so you can really do anything you want. with all this. Of course, you don't have to buy this box. You can buy separately. It's about 0.10 euros for a toothpick and 0.40 or 50 euros for a colored tweezers. And lanyard, it's about a bit less than €1, I think. What else can I say? I think that's it. So I'm posting more videos lately, just because with the lockdown I have more time. So I have more time to make videos of that, and that's why there are more. But of course, in the future there will be like before 2 weeks, 2 videos a week, or 1 videos a week on. So as usual, don't forget to subscribe, activate the little notification bell, comments, anything, questions in the comment section, I always answer. Don't forget to leave a like, thumbs up, and that's it. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and see you next time. Bye bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can